Justin and Bethany from the Flack fam.
Yeah, get that hair.
Oh, sorry. A little sticky, sweaty.
Why?
Because we just hiked Diamond Head.
Yeah, where's Diamond Head?
Diamond Head is in
It's on the island of Oahu. And it's a dormant volcano that there is military installation at the top where U.S. military used to have lookout points.
Amazing lookout points. We have some footage of that. And then the bathrooms, they actually have flush toilets. And it didn't stink in there.
Wow, of all things to say, that's a good one.
But
I guess that's important.
But there's only a restroom at the base, so go.
Yeah, so you do need reservations to come, unless you're a local. If you're a local, you already know this. You get in.
Walk on in.
You just come anytime you want.
We walked past, well, he was kind of running. We walked past him, a local who has been up here 300 days in a row.
300 days in a row, and he goes up, back down, back up, back down every day. And he was wearing, I don't know if anybody out there remembers these shoes, but those 5-finger shoes, they're supposed to be like bare feet. He was wearing those.
I didn't notice that.
And he had to have been late 60s, and he was running up this trail. But everyone else is just kind of stumbling up the trail or sweating up the trail.
It's very busy, so you kind of are walking a lot of it, just kind of in
single file line.
Yeah, up with everybody else. On the way down, we had less people by us, which was nice.
Yeah.
But beautiful views.
Yeah, I don't think you can beat the views. I will tell you, look out for birds. Thought I saw a parrot on the way up, and I thought I was crazy. And we get back down, and all of a sudden I hear that guy right there. Yeah, looking for birds, and he sees a parrot, and I'm like, I was crazy. No, there's parrots. So there was tons of parrots, tons of cardinals. If you're a bird watcher, you would love this hike. However, I'm gonna go back to what I was saying. We got this hike, we got reservations at 6 a.m. because we thought we would come hike sunrise. Not the case.
6 a.m. Diamond Head. We're waiting to get parked.
So in order to get into the crater where you park, you have to come through a tunnel. They had everyone stopped at that tunnel, and it didn't open until 6.
We just drove through the crater.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Oh, that's cool.
So we're here in, what is it, April?
End of April.
Almost May. Sun up is at 6. They opened the gates at 6. We didn't get to hike at 6, but we recommend coming in the morning because
it's going to be blazing hot.
Yeah, I heard someone say that if it's 78 degrees, it's going to be 10 to 20 degrees hotter in the crater. Yeah. So plan ahead. Bring water.
Bring water.
I highly recommend bringing a water bottle that stays cold because that just got hot immediately. But
that's true.
There is like a Pepsi machine where you can get water here, and there's a tiny little visitor center which we'll show you that has some bottles of water, has some lockers, I think.
Visitor center talks about the birds. Does it have a parrot on there? Nope. You can buy a water bottle here. And we have shirts and bags and patches and a charm, a benchmark token pin, and a spoon, a magnet, wood ornament. It's actually kind of pretty.
And then, like Bethany said, bathrooms, which when you typically visit national parks, she's used to vault toilets. So,
nasty bathrooms.
Okay, let's not get in trouble with the National Park Service.
Well, just if they could all be like Hawaii, I would be so happy.
Well, this isn't a national park.
Just to talk a little bit about what the trail actually is.
It's paved the whole way.
It's paved, but it's almost kind of initially it's a flat paved, and then it's more of a almost like broken up rock.
It's paved to look like natural rock.
Yeah.
And then there is some rock.
Yeah, and it naturally just increases the incline.
It naturally increases the incline. No, it does not. You slowly make your way up until you hit switchbacks. The switchbacks go up until you hit stairs that are very steep stairs.
No stairs.
Yeah, the stairs are. But I'm just saying in the beginning, it's kind of this natural incline and you were like, why am I sweating at this point? But it's because you actually are going up. But yeah, then it gets a little steeper.
Yes.
And the stairs.
The stairs.
The stairs.
Big step.
Are more like,
It's a short hike and it's not that hard, but
no.
if you have a hard time walking, if you have bad knees, bad ankles,
Oh yeah.
this will be hard. This will be a challenge because the stairs are narrow. They're straight up and down. And I'm going to be honest, there's no hiking etiquette here. People are just exhausted, so they're just pushing people out of the way to get to the top, which was a little disappointing, but it was okay. We made it and it was fun.
It was fun. And yeah, beautiful views.
Beautiful. It doesn't want you to hop this gate and go down. I don't know. It says don't go beyond this sign. Please turn back. 3 volcanoes. One there, one there, and one there. And that's where we started. Down there. We parked there.
That's the way we'll go down.
Is in that little bunker. You can look out into the ocean. There's one of their lookouts. I can kind of see the outline of the crater.
Weird, I showed you that on Google Maps.
Yeah, but it's in person now.
You should Google Maps in person.
Wow. They said there was a Diamond Head lighthouse that still works. One of the things. So I'm assuming that's it. This looks fun. Oh. Crouch down. Climb into. Those are gun mounts. Oh my gosh.
You ready?
Yeah, this is.
You ready to go back down?
Wow, yeah.
This would go back up to where we were.
Oh, yeah. So it's not letting us go that way. Olivia would not do well with this.
These are my favorite shots, these ones that are framed. Shoot through.
Mine does not want to clear. There we go. Goodness. And down.
you look right here, you can tell it's a rock because of the way that it is.
Thank you for your pontification.